Hi, kids. It's Mr. Heidegovich. Your math lesson today goes on with money, and it's talking about number bonds. So you should be on page 3 of your chapter 10 money packet. And if you had questions about any of these problems from yesterday, please just let me know, and I will help you with them. If you pop online and just come to like the office hours, or just drop in and say hi, and I'll get those figured out with you. So otherwise, we're going to move on to this one. And so we're talking about money, and we're talking about number bonds. And so this gets a little confusing. So I'm going to work right through this with you. And that way you don't have to go for help anywhere, because this one, like I said, is a little bit tricky. So just follow along, do the problems with me, and then we'll go from there. So what they're trying to tell you, and they don't do a very good job, in my opinion, is that, when you have this $3.40 plus $2.80, what they're trying to tell you is take 20 cents from this 340. So the first thing you're going to do is just look at this and say, well, $3.40. I have $3.20, and I'm going to take 20 cents from that 340, and I'm going to stick it in with this $2.80, because I know $2.80 plus 20 cents is $3. And it's easier for me to add 3 even dollars than it is for me to add $2.80. So they're saying break this apart so you are making your problem easier to solve. It just looks super confusing. So I'm going to zoom in on that. And so here we are again. And again, what they're trying to tell you is you're taking this $3.40 and you're splitting it up. Okay, so you have $3.20 here and 20 cents here. This 20 cents goes over to that $2.80. And by doing that, now you don't have this big problem with all the numbers. You can say, well, what's $3.20 plus $3? And it just makes the problem easier to solve mentally, because now you have $6.20. So the biggest problem I have with it is it's confusing at first, and so it doesn't actually make it easier to solve at first, because you got to do a lot of thinking. But it does teach you how to break things apart so you can see them a little bit differently, because this equal sign really just means is the same as. So what they're saying, $3.40 plus $2.80 is the same as $3.20 plus $3. I just don't have to do all the regrouping that comes with 80 here. So I'm going to move on from there, because if I over explain it, it's going to get even more confusing, and we'll just start working through some of these. So on your paper, on number 1, you can see they have $9.05 plus $6.95. And what they're saying is from that $9.05, I'm going to separate those out, and I'm going to have $9 here and 5 cents here. Okay. When I add that 5 cents to $6.95, if I do that with my number bond, then I come up with 7 even dollars. So now I can just take $9 plus $7, and I know 9 plus 7 gives me 16. So again, there's a lot of steps in there that you have to do in your brain, but that's why we're working through them together. So I just split my dollars and cents apart. I gave a nickel to this $6.95, and then I did my addition. So if you need to pause the video at any time, just pause it and go ahead and get those numbers written in. For number 2 down here, it's the same idea, but it's going to be a little bit different. And this is where it's a little more complex. So just follow along with me, okay? So they have $70.35 plus $11.85. What they're trying to get you to do is say, well, I want to make this $11.85 $12. In order to do that, I need 15 more cents. The only place I can get that 15 cents is right here. So I'm going to change this $70.35 to $70.20. And I'm going to take that other 15 cents and I'm going to put it here. So now I can say what $70.20 plus $12. And if you do that, like I said, at this point, it becomes easier because now I know that 70 plus 12 is 82, and then I have 20 cents left over. Again, the confusing part, oops, I think I did that wrong. The confusing part is getting to this point right here where you have the easy numbers. You have to be able to mentally break this stuff apart in your brain. And I think that's going to be tricky for some of you. So again, we're just going to keep working our way down and through these problems as we go. So if you haven't got that all written out, just go ahead and pause it and take a minute and write it out. And then we're going to go on to number 3. Oops, and I'm not getting my whole page in here, but hopefully you know where I'm at. I'll try and back it off here just a little bit so you can see the number I'm on too. Sorry about that. I guess it's not perfect, but it'll do. So again, they're telling me to add $12.40 plus $10.75. And they're telling me I want to make this $10.75. I want to make that $11. They don't say it directly anywhere, but that's what they want. So I know to get from $10.75 to $11, I need 25 more cents. So I'm going to take my 25 cents here. So now I know that's what I need. And then I'm going to add these number bonds together, and this is going to give me $11. Oops, and I just forgot to finish this up here. So this should be $12, but whatever. So now I know $11 goes here, okay, because that's where I got to. But I also know I have to take 25 cents away from 40. And that's going to be tricky for some of you because we're working on our subtraction. So I know this is going to be $12 and something, and I know this is going to be 25 cents. So now I have to figure out what's 40 minus 25. And just to show you, I'll do it over here. 40 minus 25, if I regroup, and 10 minus 5 is 5, and 3 minus 2 is 1. And I have $12.15 and 25 cents. And these two together give me this $12.40, okay? But now when I write this $12.15 is what goes here, okay? So now $12.15 plus $11. If you add those up, either on paper or mentally, 12 plus 11 is 23, and you have 15 cents left over. So again, just take a little break, take a breath, pause the video. This is not super easy stuff, and I think I have a problem with the slides, so I'm going to pause this for a second. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that, and thanks for all of you who sent me messages that the slides weren't open to you. I appreciate it because sometimes I don't know when that happens, and then it's helpful because I can see how frustrating that would be at home if you couldn't get in. So this is where we're at right now. I'm going to just turn the page and take a look at it, and we'll decide what we're going to do. And this is what we have. So this is what I'm going to tell you. For today, I want you to skip this. Okay, I will come back and do this with you tomorrow. All I want you to do is add these up on page 5. That's your assignment. So all you're going to do is remember to drop the $sign in the decimal point, and these are just regular addition problems, okay? Just make sure your numbers stay in the right place values, and you will be just fine. Don't forget to regroup when you need to regroup. Solve these 8 addition problems, and then put your answer right down here. and then you are done with your math lesson for the day. Thanks, kids. I hope going through it with you was helpful. I know it's not super interesting, but this gets pretty confusing the way they want you to see this. So again, skip page 4 for today, and then go right to page 5 and only do the addition problems on page 5. Thanks, kids. Bye.